Today's home workout is a walking at home. This is a 10-minute workout. We've got some really lovely walking exercises. It's a really fun routine, all low impact, apartment friendly. I'm going to be doing it with you in real time. So if you're ready, we're going to start walking at home. So here's a preview of the first move. We're simply just going to be marching on the spot. So let's start walking now. So with this, how it's going to work today, it's going to be a really fun workout. We are going to be doing 10 minutes. We're going to do approximately 30 to 25 seconds of doing your fast walk. Then we're going to alternate with doing some really fun step and sculpt moves. All right, and you're just going to follow along. You and I are getting super fit at home. That's good. And just power through with those arms, marching on the spot all the way till we reach the top on that timer bar. So now just watch what I'm doing. Join in when you're ready. Step the foot behind and you're just going to do a full extension swing with the arm. Just take it from one side to the other. And this is a really lovely lateral move that now we're activating. We're working through your shoulders, working through your arms, we're working through your legs. It's also going to help with your coordination and balance and flexibility. We're going to keep going all the way till we reach at the top, and then we're just going to bring it straight back now. Let's just go back to doing that really fun, fast, calorie burning walk. Now the great thing is, if you want to, why not walk from one end of the room to the other? Really take up that speed and just think what you're doing right now. You and I are just investing in your future health. This is about getting your body super fit and strong. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. So again, once that arrow reaches the top, we're going to look at doing another step and sculpt move. So hands up, now tap that foot across and in front. Once you've got used to the leg movement, if you want to, you can then add in the arm movement as well. So what we're going to do with the arms is just then extend them out, or if you prefer, just stick with doing the leg movement. Just go one side to the other. And this one here is really lovely to work through your arms, work through those legs. And again, still getting those steps up. All right, let's bring it straight back now, back to that power march for me. So land nice and softly on the feet. Really focus on using your arms as well. And if walking is something that you really like and you want to get super healthy and fit, I do have a brand new product. It's a 21-day online course, which is Walk Fit. We look at doing special sculpting workouts as well as a healthy eating plan. I'll leave all the details in the description down below. All right, so next move coming up. This time now, just tap one foot out to the side, alternate from one side to the other. So the benefit that I'm doing for you here is I'm still getting your steps up, but now I'm working a little bit more through your inner and outer thighs. Again, it's a lateral move. Brilliant to really help encourage better balance and flexibility through the hips, and keeping that going all the way to that arrow reaches the top. Doing really well. Right, let's bring it straight back and now again to that calorie burning fast walk. And if you want to, you can always take this to a very light jog as well. So this is your little interval to really take that speed up, keep it going, keeping really focused. That's good. And nearly finished on this one. Power it through with those arms. So for your next move, this time now, just follow along. We're going to do a side step, but you're going to do a hamstring curl. So you're just bending the elbow, bending the knee, and just drawing that heel up, and just draw both those arms in at the same time. So this one here is really good to fire up the hamstring, back of the upper thigh. It's also really good to work through the biceps and triceps through the arms as well as the shoulders. And just reaching that all the way through. All right, bring it straight back. So if you want to, again, just go from one end of the room to the other. And the other thing is, when you come back and do this workout next time, if you prefer not to have any coaching, why not create a playlist that is for 10 minutes of your favorite songs, so you can listen to some music. All right, that's good. Keep driving those knees up, really focus through with those arms, powering that through, doing really well. So next steps and sculpt move, this time just give me a knee lift. What I want you to do, make sure you're keeping your upper body really nice and straight and just swing the arms from one side to the other. So this is incredible now for really working into your waist, working through your core. That's good, driving that up. Keeping that focus, that's good. Last little bit, we're going to keep going till that arrow reaches the top on the left. All right, that's good, keeping that going. So let's bring it straight back now, back to that calorie burning fast walk. Really put some power in those steps, march it up. That's good, and really focus on using your arms, land nice and softly. And definitely if you're on Facebook, do come and find us, Lucy Squad. We've got a page and a group, and it is the nicest, most positive community, so you can get lots of online support on your health journey. All right, that's good, and let's just keep going. All right, so we're ready now for another steps and sculpt. This time, give me a heel dig in front, have your palms facing forwards and just take them up and out slightly to the side. Just keeping that going. So this one here is really lovely to work through your shoulders, the deltoids, working through the arms, also your upper back. And we're still getting those step counts up. That's good, keeping that going. That's good, all the way till that arrow reaches the top. Okay, so let's bring it straight back now for that fast calorie burning walk. Just really march it out, doing really well. And remember, if you want to, you could take this to a very light jog, or just march it around the room, or keep that going on the spot. Really drive those knees up, work through with the arms, keeping that focus, doing really well. Let's get to the top with that arrow, and then we'll go straight back to doing your steps and sculpt. All right, so for your next move, this time now, we're going to do 2 side steps, and you're going to lift the leg out to the side. 2 side steps, lift it out to the side and back. 2 side steps, lateral lift, that's good. And travel that across. Side step and just give me that lateral lift. So this one here is really good to work through the lower body. Keeping that going. We're also really engaging through your core as well. Alternate that lift. All right, well done. And bring it straight back now, back to that power march for me. Keeping that focused. And right now, just think what you are doing is you're investing in your future health. This is going to really help to also boost your energy levels. It's great for your mental health as well. So keeping that going. Keep landing softly. That's good. All right, so let's have a look at your next move. So this time now, step that foot across and behind, and then just have your palms facing forwards, just push them in front. So again, another really lovely steps and sculpt. And this one here, what we're doing, working a little bit more through your chest. Just extend, try and keep the palms in line with your chest. Pushing them in front. All right, well done. So let's bring it straight back now, fast walk. So you can see that timer on the right, we've nearly finished today. So let's really put in 100% effort. And as your qualified trainer that's been teaching for well over nearly 30 years, I'm all about just getting you the best results, because your health is your everything. So let's just keep going, land softly. That's good, all the way to the top. So let's have a look at your next steps and sculpt move. So for this one, what I want you to do is arms open and just give me a toe tap. Just imagine you're just doing a big clap. That's good, just keeping that going. So it's that tap in front. And we're actually going to finish off today. The last 30 seconds, we're going to do a really lovely standing ab move. All right, that's good. Open up nice and wide. This exercise, particular one's also going to be really good to help improve your posture. Open those arms wide. Tap that foot in front. All right, well done. Let's bring it straight back now. Power that march up. So this is the last time of doing your walking, so take it as fast as you can for me. Walk from one end of the room to the other, or if you're marching on the spot, drive those knees up. If you're doing a light little bit of a jog, you can just increase that speed a little bit. Let's just keep going. Keeping that nice and controlled, doing really well all the way to the top. All right, so for our next move, we're going to do steps and sculpt. This time, knee up and draw both those arms down. So what this is doing, this is really working through those abdominals as well as working your arms and legs. Just keep going and really now pull in those tummy muscles as tight as you can for me. That's good, keeping that going. So you've got last 10 seconds of today's training. Let's keep going all the way to the end. And 3, 2, and 1. So well done. You have now completed your 10-minute workout. What is a really good idea? Let's just bring that heart rate down. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out for me. So well done. There is your high five. Now you've got two options. You can either come and do any of my free 5-minute toning workouts. You can click on the playlist and select the one you want. Or if you are finished for today, then simply click here, come and do my cool down stretch with me. And well done, and I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.